ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. 100 ವರ್ಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರಿ.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. You are the person who cares and protects me as my parents and guide me as my brother. Thank you so much. Have your wonderful birthday with lots of love and happiness.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Hi Karthik, happy birthday. 100 ವರ್ಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಪ್ಪ.
We love you both. Take care. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
Hi. Happy birthday, Karthik.
Happy birthday Karthik.
Happy birthday, Karthik. Happy birthday, Karthik.
Hi, happy birthday to Karthik.
Happy birthday, Karthik Baba.
Hi Karthik, happy birthday Karthik.
Hi, Anna. Happy birthday.
Hi, Baba, happy birthday. God
Hi,
bless
happy
you.
birthday.
Wish you happy birthday, Karthik.
Wish you happy birthday Karthik.
Happy birthday, Karthik Anna.
Happy birthday, bro.
Hi. Wish you happy birthday, Karthik uncle.
Wish you happy birthday, Karthik.
Wish you happy birthday Karthik appa.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Karthik Anna.
Wish you happy birthday, Karthik uncle.
Happy birthday, Karthik Anna.
Happy birthday, Karthik. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Karthik Anna.
Wish you happy birthday, Karthik.
Happy birthday, bro.
ದೇವ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಪ್ಪ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday. God bless you. Love you, Papa.
Hi, Karthik. Wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Karthik.
Birthday, Ramachi. Have a great year ahead.
Karthik, happy birthday to you. I have a special gift for you this time. Say hi. May God bless you with lot of love, happiness and success. It's wonderful to know we are celebrating 15 years of our friendship. Many more years to add. Once again, happy birthday to most humble person ever I met. God bless you.
ಹಾಯ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೂಜಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಕಣೋ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕಣ. ನೀನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನ ವೈಫ್ ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರೋ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎನಿವೆ, ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಎನಿವೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಔಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಟ್ಕಲಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಬ್ಯೂಗಲ್ ರಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ. Anyways, be happy and stay healthy and stay away from coronavirus.
Hi, Karthik. Wish you happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, and I would like to remind you of the first time we met in the youth workshop, and you are one of the most respectful people whom I have met in my life. And I think it's been 12.5 years now since we first met, and our friendship has had its own ups and downs. And I would always say that I have hurt you a lot more than you hurt me. I don't think you ever hurt me. I was always moody, I was always cranky, but you were always patient with me. And I'm really grateful that I have such a loyal and a foul weather friend as well. You stood by me, you understood every situation that I went through. You were always understanding, and I'm very blessed to have you in my life. wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey China, surprised to see me? Thank Pooja for this lovely thought of making a video of all your friends wishing you for your birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a lovely day. May God bless you with lots of happiness, joy, good health and prosperity. God bless. Bye.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಮ್ಮ. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ.
Hi baby, many more happy returns of the day, and thanks for being such a good, beautiful and kind-hearted husband for me. I love you so much, and I hope Amma also wish you a very happy birthday today. As she is in heaven, she always blessed you. Don't worry about anything. Everything will be going fine. And you remember that special day which we met first time. That was the most beautiful, and I never forget that moment. And you can see our beautiful photo frames here. Hope that they will never come again. And happy birthday. Many more happy returns of the day once again. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.